What? Okay. Yo, he really singing. What's going on? It's your girl Tootsie and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, what's up? Before we get into the video, make sure you like this video, make sure you share it, make sure you subscribe. And turn your bell notifications on so you'll know every time that I post a video so you don't miss it. Okay? Alright. And just remember, again, we are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Okay? 1,000 subscribers! And more importantly, hit the like button. Like the video now. With the utmost respect. Today's video, I'm going to be reacting to a parrot singing Beyonce. Okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. What? Okay. Yo, he really singing. Wait a minute. That was it? Play that again. He wanted to be a boy. But how is he hitting notes though? The caption for this was that this bird was singing better than Beyonce. So, is this what we think Beyonce sound like? Yo, he's flapping his wings and shit. Like, did you hear that range? If he was a boy. Yo, how do fucking parrots talk? Like, this dude is really out here singing. I thought parrots only said hi. Or probably want a cracker. Why is this video not longer? I'm gonna play it one more time. He hit his head like this. You could understand if you was a boy. First of all, who has the time to sit there and teach their bird how to sing if I was a boy? But wouldn't it have been dope if he sung like Bootylicious or something? And he'd be like, Kelly, can you handle this? That shit is funny. He already got the wings flapping. He like this. If I were a boy. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though. He was hitting some notes though. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, and he knew the word. And it was a melody. Can we get a bird? No. Crush my dreams in 2 seconds. I could have had a bird. Do you know if I had a parrot, my parrot would be rapping Biggie all day. Biggie and Jay-Z all day. I'm getting a parrot. I don't care what this man say. I'm getting a parrot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed recording it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications. And most importantly, make sure you like this video. Share it with everyone. Everyone! I don't know why I said that. It was so stupid. This is Joker.
She don't like the camera.
Look at the camera. This is Joker.